So, you used to work in a bank, huh? Figures.
What are you implying?
Well, how should I put it? You're kinda uptight.
I'd rather be uptight than a loose cannon.
Thanks for the compliment.
You're welcome.
You know what?
What?
You're actually the first guy who worked in a bank that I've talked to without a gun in my hand.
Would you look at that? You're making progress, Leo. There's a house over there. Let's check it out.
Vincent, help me out here.
After the spectacular prison escape 2 nights ago. The fugitives are still at large and considered highly dangerous. The state police put out a warning today, urging every law-abiding citizen within a 50-mile radius of the prison.
Don't you worry, honey. Those two fools come around here. They'll get a taste of old Betsy.
Hey, I say we take them out.
Are you crazy? It's an old couple. We can't do that.
I don't mean it like that, man. I mean, we tied them up or something. We really need to change clothes. We can't walk around like this.
I don't like it. It's better to get them out of the house.
What you have in mind?
See that barn over there?
Yeah?
We release the horses.
Release the horses. How's that gonna help?
Trust me. They'll be forced to go get them back.
I don't know, man. Sure, whatever, man. Let's try it.
Okay, come on. Crap. It's locked.
Over here. How do you know they got horses in there?
It's a horse barn, Leo. What else should they have?
But still, you sound so sure. I mean, it could also be empty. You hear that?
Yeah, I do.
Hey, look up there.
Couldn't agree
No
more.
opening. Maybe we can find some way to reach it.
All right. Now we just need to let the horses out. There are the horses. Let's release them. There you go, buddy. Let's release the others, too.
Of course. Vincent, this might be able to scare the horses.
Can't argue with that.
Vincent, let's open the barn doors first. Come on, get moving.
Maybe this'll work. Nope, not loud enough.
Time to scare the horses.
It's locked. Can't open this one.
I can't do this by myself. Come on, Vincent.
Oh, hell, the horses are escaping, honey.
Oh, dear. Didn't we lock the barn?
Of course I did. Come on, let's go.
See? I told you.
Yeah, let's just hope these horses keep running.
They will. Do they have something good?
This fucking war, man.
Ugh. This beer must have been open for a long time.
Hi. Is this Steve? No? Rob? No?
I've never really been a hat man. Huh. Looks better than expected.
Looking good, man. Hey, Vincent, let's change clothes.
If only the cell beds were this comfortable.
Yeah, this will do. And the shotgun might come in handy.
I've always found these kind of soothing.
Hey, Vincent, get over here. I need some help. Vincent, come over here and help me out. Hey, Vincent, get over here. I need some... Oh, my God, it's a piece of junk.
It's not that bad.
What do you mean it's not that bad? Hey, it's even missing a wheel.
Nah, I'm sure there's a spare around here somewhere.
I don't know, man.
It's not like we have a choice. Sherby's running on foot. Let's fix it up and we'll be out of here in no time.
All right, fine. Looks like the battery is out of juice.
Hey, there's a tire on the other side of the barn.
I bet we can use this to lift the car. Looks like the car is missing a tire.
All right, now it's attached. We just need to find a lug wrench to fasten it.
All right, Tire. Here I come to school you. All right, let's lift this thing and remove the support.
All right, now we can roll it at least.
Whoa! What happened? Did you let go?
I didn't let it go. Did you let it go?
No, I didn't. Let's go get it.
This tank seems completely dry.
Let's chop some wood.
A gas canister. I bet it still has some gas.
Jumper cables. Perfect. Let's pop the hood and try them. Jumper cables. Perfect. Let's pop the hood and try them.
It's filled up with gas. Wonder if it will start.
It's connected. Try to start the car now. Oh, shit. It actually worked, this piece of junk.
Yeah, I told you so.
You did, but still, I was in doubt.
Sometimes you just gotta have a little faith in things, Leo.
Faith, huh?
Yeah, well, let's get out of here.
Yes? No, I don't know. It was a while ago. We need your help now, officer. Okay, hurry up, please. Absolutely. Thank you.
Are the police on their way yet?
Yes, they'll be here any minute.
Okay, I'll go take care of them.
No, just stay here.
It's all right. Just wait here. I'll be fine. Filthy scum!
Oh, shit! Take cover!
You're gonna pay for this!
Come on, let's go!
Yeah.
You got it!
Come on, come on. Yeah.
Come on! Go, 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 go!
Damn it!
Hey, Vincent! We got cops coming! Step on it! Get this piece of shit going faster!
Just sit down, Leo! You're gonna fall off!
All right, here we go!
Here they come! Hold on back there!
Just focus on driving, man! I'll keep them off our backs! Faster, faster!
Try to hold them back!
Right, I'm doing my best!
Out of the way! Out of the way! Oh shit! This is gonna be tight! That was a close one. What happened? You okay?
I'm fine, keep going! I'm not giving it that easy!
Shit!
Keep going, come on!
Hold on back there! Where did all these cars come from? Out of the way! Goddamn car can't go any faster! Fuck!
Come on, Vincent, just keep it steady! He is like a cops! Cops are still on us, Vincent!
Hold on back there! This might get funky!
Whoa! I can't hit anything while you drive like an ass!
I'm doing my best over here! Oh, shit! Ah, God damn it! You okay back there?
What do you think? You drive like an idiot!
I'm trying my best here, God damn it!
Drive better!
Sparks are out. We got him now. All units to South River Bridge.
Stop! You're under arrest!
Stay where you are.
Freeze! You okay? Stop!
Yeah, yeah! Let's go, come on!
Get those bastards. Come on. Go, go, go.
Vincent, run! We can't stay here!
Don't let them get away.
More of them! Come on, go! Push! Push!
Where the hell does this river take us?
I have no idea, but the further away, the better.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
All right, start rowing. We need to get going.
Hey, Vincent,
Yeah?
I think I saw something in the water.
It's probably a shark, Leo.
What do you mean? There are no sharks in this water.
How do you know?
It's sweet water.
You're a clever guy, Leo.
But I really saw something, though. Probably a fish.
Yeah, whatever. A fish.
Probably salmon.
You know what? It could have been a crocodile.
Seriously? I don't like crocodile.
Well, watch out then.
Hey, Vincent,
Yeah?
you think there are any bears in these woods?
There are probably bears in these waters, Leo.
Ha! Like I'd believe that.
Go to the right.
Looks like our peaceful boat ride is over. Some rough streams ahead.
Check for the rock. Hold on. Shot right.
Hey, watch out. Some rough streams up ahead.
Wouldn't it be faster if I just jumped in and swam?
Yeah, sure. You try that. I'll just stay in the boat.
I think we're through the worst of it. The rest is just a smooth ride.
I think you spoke too soon, Leo. Look straight ahead.
Holy shit! Ah! Whoa! See that?
You're right.
Paddle, damn it.
Waterfall!
We're not done yet.
Watch out for that rock! Watch out! The fuck?
Vincent! Yeah?
I'm coming!
All right.
Grab my hand!
Yeah.
Come on, grab it! You okay?
I'm okay.
Let's get out of here.
All right.
What of you, huh?
Yeah. So? What happens now?
Look. I know what you're thinking. But going after Harvey won't be easy.
I know. But I'm going after him, with or without you.
You want to end up dead?
I want him gone. He's a cold-blooded killer. The world's gonna be a better place without him. You never told me, Leo. What is your story with Harvey?
Before I got busted, me and Harvey made a huge score.
Bank job?
Nah. You ever heard of a Black Orlov?
Are you serious? The diamond? How the hell did you pull that off?
A lot of planning and a bit of luck.
So what happened?
Everything was going our way. We even had a buyer. But that greedy fuck had other plans.
It's all there. Count it.
Looks about right.
Of course it is. You can always trust me.
I'm not trusting nobody, my friend. Here you go. What do you think?
It's heavier than I thought.
It is.
Pleasure doing business with you guys.
You too.
Give me the case.
What the fuck are you doing?
Give me the fucking case, Leo. Hand it over now. It's nothing personal. It's just business. Give me the briefcase.
Next thing I know, I'm surrounded by cops.
That's rough. I'm sorry.
Oh, trust me. He's the one who's gonna be sorry. I'm making things right. For me, and for my family.
So do you know where Harvey is right now?
I know one of his guys, Ray. He'll know for sure.
So? What are we waiting for? Let's go after him.
You really want to take Harvey down, huh?
Like I said, with or without you, I'm going after him.
Okay.
All right. Where can we find this Ray guy?
Don't worry, he's gonna be easy to find. But I need to make sure my family's safe first.
Of course.
Let's go.
Don't go too far, Alex.
Mom? Mom!
What is it, honey? What's wrong? Oh, shit. Alex? Alex!
Leo, can I ask you something personal?
Yeah, sure.
How do you and your wife manage to stay together in this line of work?
We've always been together. You know, she knows me better than I know myself. I was 12 when we met at the orphanage.
Orphanage?
You could say that my parents didn't do their job.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Don't be. I barely remember them. Besides, I was fortunate enough to have Linda. She was crazy. You know, we used to run away together. Steal ice cream, cigarettes, shit. It's always been us against the world. Still is. No matter what. That's just how it is.
Sounds great.